Hi and welcome to Travels with the Russells. Well, welcome to our day 3 vlog of Hong Kong. And we're out for a kind of walkabout, see what today brings. Just have a mooch about, see where we get to. I'm a bit distracted because the fish keep jumping out of the sea. So anyway, come and join us. Let's see what we get up to.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're roam free. Cruising the oceans, oh, can't you see?
Of course, because I'm filming, no fish will jump out. Every time I move the camera. Oh, one there. I don't know if you saw it. All over. Although this is a park, no smoking, no cycling. Pack up your skateboard and enjoy the park for a clean environment. Do not feed the birds.
There's no ball game,
Yep, no ball games, no frisbee. What else was there down there? You had something else up. No, well, no enjoying yourself.
Like having fun.
No enjoying yourself. And again, if you ever come to Hong Kong and you're at the cruise terminal, the cruise ship, I don't know if you can see it, but X marks the spot. So somewhere over there is going to be the big X. And all we've done is walk down, and then there's a bridge across near the hospital. Oh yeah, so that's it. The other thing, they don't, no kite flying, no drones, no music. Keep your environment clean, which it is, it's spotless. Very regimented. I like it. I like it a lot. It says something about me, doesn't it? But I do like it. Obviously no drinking alcohol or public intoxication or anything like that. Yeah, it's nice. Clean, safe, organised environment. Oh, illegal feeding of wild animals or feral pigeons, $5,000 fine. It's about £500 or about $700. So don't be feeding no pigeons. Sinks for washing your hands with detergent. Public sinks in the park. There's also drinking fountains every 100 metres or so. Pets have got to be kept on leads. You must pick up after your pets. Let's see. Well, that suits me. This cutesiest thing here. Oh, these are vending machines. Oh. Vending machines. Drinks and snacks. Drinks. And hot drinks. So for a nice espresso or a hot Americano. Wonderful. Takes Apple Pay. Grab yourself some Kung Fu tea. So the One Pacific Centre, we have the APM. Millennium City. So let's go. Well, one thing I can say about this shopping mall is it's air conditioned. That's very nice. Ooh, posh chocolate shop. Tudor watches. Well, in Hong Kong, all the shopping centres seem a much for muchness. Got big Apple shops and posh designer clothes shops. Yeah, I've got Dior and Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, got a gadget shop. Let's see what's in here. Massive head. Oh no, that's Stitch King. Oh. Hello there. Oh, a bit skinny. Anybody want a Christmas Stitch? No?
Ты слушай, зайди у нас там в эти хорошие магазины, как они называются.
Iron Man. Well, it's a big mall. I'm already lost and I'm only up 3rd floor. I believe it's 10 floors. 10 floors. Harry Potter. Who knew? National Geographic make their own range of stuff. Matcha tea. Oh, and another cutie pie shop. Whatever this is. Again, of course, we don't recognise any of these shops. What I do recommend is these, to sell them all over the place. Oh, Pokemon cards. Polaroid cameras and Kodak instants. Film. And the cat with the eyes that move. I think we've made it to Primardi. We're getting up here, but I don't know how we get down. The size of these escalators. Oh, we've got Uncle Fong's Pot restaurant. A computer shop. This must be all tech on this level. Yes, looks like it. Yep, and 10,999 Hong Kong dollars. That's £1,000. Well, plenty of tech, but not in the market. New for 2025. Vision AI.
Looks like you can touch it.
We've got 8K tellies. The AI tellies. No, not at the top yet. Still a fair way to go. Now hit the bookshops. Nice one. And yes, of course, they do have books in English. Don't worry about that. Plenty of books in English. This is where the shuttle bus dropped us yesterday. And if we'd have only known, it's quite an easy walk from the ship, really, compared to the rest of the walking we've done. Rather unique food court. Don't know how it works like. I couldn't even work a McDonald's machine, so comes you on a little train, delivers your food,
Buzzes, yeah.
lets you know it's your dinner turned up. So we're heading back down to see what's going on. There's something going on at the ground floor, but not sure what. We'll go have a look. Well, something's going to go on, but don't know what. Doesn't look that interesting. Own Days seems to be a furniture shop from Tokyo, Japan, evidently. So if anything sprouts off, we'll let you know. And if it doesn't, well, we won't bother. Rather nice tea shop. Very posh tea shop. Beautiful tea shop. And different teas from around China. China? £35,000 if you want that tea, yeah. Nice collection of teapots. So we're going to get the shuttle bus back, I think, if we can. So that was our day in Hong Kong. So Exmo's just clearing the table in front of us. So anyway, we're back on the ship now, and hope you enjoyed our little adventure today. And if you did, please remember, like and subscribe. And there'll be some links at the end if you want to do a cabin tour of the Millennium, or if you want to do a ship's tour of the Millennium, or if you want to see any of our other adventures while we're in Hong Kong. So thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye.
Well, the sun's rising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cypress calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK sky